Okay, well I had to stop the charge, and I guess while I'm charging, figured I would pull the drone out.
Why did you have to stop? What charge did you have to stop?
Can you leave me alone? Yeah, you in there, you going in there messing with my water.
It's our water, remember?
No, that's
what's
my
yours
water.
is mine.
Okay, can I finish?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
After you say what's yours is mine.
Okay, it's your water. Thank you. Okay, whatever.
So it's not our water.
Okay, could you please go out there and check on Noah? Sounds like somebody out there is killing him. Please. Thank you. Okay, back to the drone. Looks like I figured while I was sitting there charging, killing time, I would just take it out for another spin. I've actually flown it several times so far. It's now October the 28th, 2020. I'm in Celebration. I'm at the Celebration Charge. I'm right, like, kind of across the street, not too far from Disney. I guess it's really kind of like the main intersection is 192 and Highway 4, US 4, whatever it is. So I'm actually I kind of got on the flight plan a little bit, but I had to modify a little bit. But I'm gonna it's supposed to be like a cinematic view here. The drone is actually flying sideways. It's looking down right now, but it's supposed to be kind of cinematic. And I guess I'm trying all these different modes, but I'm still looking down. I didn't mean to look down this long, but I guess I'll get ready to start looking up. And like I said, I'm going to be going sideways. I think I need to move it up a little bit further because I have some power lines that I'm getting close to. Hey, can you lock the door for me? Okay. Yeah, you see I'm flying sideways. It's supposed to be cinematic, but there's some power lines right there, so I'm actually pretty close to getting entangled in those jokers. So let me, yeah, right here. Okay, let me go up a little bit. Yeah, that would have been pretty tragic. So I took her up a little bit higher so I can, I guess I can go over them. And as soon as I hit back to the, it's going to start going sideways again. See, it turned that way, and it's flying sideways, and it's like, I don't know. I don't know if it looks that cinematic to me, but I guess that's just one of the settings on the drone, so I'm going with it. So it's got me flying that way. I think I'm going up a little bit more right now because it's I have a few more obstacles in my way, and I'm not in. Let's say I can't really. I don't have a really good view of where the drone is, and I'm flying sideways, so I can't even really see where it's going. Okay, I had to take a quick look. Right, see, it's flying sideways, so I can't really see where I'm headed to. But like I say, this is below me is highway. This is 192. That's like that main road that kind of runs through Kissimmee and Bay Lake and like just the Disney area going up through the parks kind of. It's 192, and then 4 is the main highway that runs down runs right through Orlando. So when you're coming to Disney off of 95, you take Highway 4. That's the main highway. So that's to the left right there, kind of above to the left. You can see a little bit. That's Interstate 4. But I mean, it's a pretty nice day today. when I record with this drone, this particular drone here, which the way what you're seeing is exactly how it comes out the drone. I don't, like some guys do. They touch up the color and stuff like that. I just kind of pull it right out of the drone and I just upload it. I don't do any type of like editing as far as the color of the, I don't color grade it. That's what they call it, color grading. I don't color grade any of the video coming out of any drones I have because they're not DJI drones. So so you tell me. They're not DJI drones, so the color coming out of the drone to me looks great. So why would I do that? But like I say, that's Highway 4 right there. I'm still kind of flying sideways, and you probably can't see, but that's Disney Springs, downtown Disney, whatever you want to call it, looking over there. I'm turning to go back right now because I actually my car is actually almost finished charging, so I'm gonna go back and I'm actually not at the car right now. I'm kind of walking. I went for a walk. I was charging the car, I let the drone fly, and I went for a little walk. I like to walk whenever I get a chance to. But hey, it's a beautiful day, man. It's crazy. It's a beautiful day, and sometimes you don't have to spend a lot of money, waste a lot of time. Sometimes you can just, get where the weather's nice and just enjoy life, man. And that's what I try to do as often as possible. I try to find good weather, and I try to just relax. I spent a lot of my life not doing that. If you know me, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, let's move on from that. But yeah, I'm on my way back to the Supercharger, and that's right, that building right there, right at that building. That's where the Supercharger is. So it's just headed back, and those wires below too, the ones I almost ran into. It's right on the other side of Dunkin' Donuts, next to Arby's. So the other area that I was traveling to was actually an area down here called Davenport. I was actually looking at a house in Davenport. I was thinking about buying a house in Davenport. It's still on my mind. I don't know. I'll have to come and take another look at it, and I'll make a decision then. But like I say, the weather. I live in North Carolina, and the weather in North Carolina is really nice. We have four seasons, and we get snow maybe once a year, sometimes 2 or 3, sometimes none. But it's warm, and then it's just really nice weather there. Down in Florida, it's kind of warm year round, hot year round, so you don't get your 4 seasons. So it's a give and take type of thing. That's me right there in the orange shirt. You see, I'm kind of walking back towards the car, and I had what's her name with me, Sherry, getting on my nerves as usual. But I won't do too much bashing her right now. But that's us walking right there. So I'll try to come. I'm actually gonna try to bring the drone over there, get a close-up view of us. It's kind of a couple obstacles I'm actually going around really, so that's kind of why I was turning like that. Okay, yeah, there we go. But the weather's really nice. It's bright, it's sunny, it's not too hot. It's just really a beautiful day. And if you're not, and if you don't have good weather where you are right now, I figure this right here will show you where you need to be. You need to be somewhere where the weather's nice and everything is good. But let's see, there we go. Kind of. I don't know. It's a. I can set it to follow me, the drone, but I don't have it on follow me right now. So I'm kind of trying to drive it myself behind me. It's a little hard, especially when I'm not looking at it. And so I might be like wobbling a little bit, but you get the picture. It's like a bee on Sherry's dress. I don't know if you can see it, but it was actually about to sting her. Okay, I'm just flying away real quick. But there's a bee on her dress, like a yellow jacket. I guess that's what it is. And it was kind of being very, 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 very bothersome. But I just flew, just like where you fly away and you fly back. That's what I just did. That was the little. That's what I just did. So I'm on my way back now. But it's this bee, like that fly was on Pence's head. That's how that bee was on Sherry, man. It was just like, oh wait, man. Flies are attracted to crap or dookie or whatever you want to call it, and bees are attracted to honey. I did not realize that. I didn't realize. Okay, yeah. So that's why the fly was on Pence, because he's crap, and the bee is all up on Sherry because of honey. Okay, that makes sense. All right, but I don't know. Okay, well, she's still looking at it though. If you look over there, she's looking at it. It's like, can you get this bee off of me? See it right there? It's right up to the right of her, to the left of her hand or whatever. It's right there. That bee it just won't go away. It's just stayed there. I don't know what the deal was with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the drone down and aim the camera straight up, like I told you. That this is the drone. This is the only drone that you can buy that can take video straight up. So the drone is actually still hovering on the ground, and I'm just kind of looking over it. Yeah, I'm looking down at the drone, and the drone was looking straight up, up into the clouds, or up straight up in the air. Okay. Yeah, it's still looking straight up in the air. But anyway, I guess I'll just move on.